Find the good side of every situation, especially within Onpassive. You cannot have success without the failures. Any experience can be transformed into something of value. Everything depends on the way you look at things. What are stumbling blocks and defeat before you can be stepping stones to victory if you remain determined. In all of your adversities lies the seeds of equivalent advantages. In every defeat there is a lesson showing you how to win the next time. View your problems as opportunities. When it's dark enough you can see the stars. Warmest regards, your fellow legacy leaver, Tantullo. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with the ones you love by clicking the like and subscribe buttons above. Thank you and have a blessed day.